Hi guys, I know I haven't been posting much on the channel. Just to let you know, I'm still going to be working on content. I'm joined here with my mom.
Happy holidays, everybody.
We just wanted to wish everybody happy holidays. I know Christmas just passed, so my mom is starting to enjoy off-roading, so I told her let's go off-roading and enjoy some time together. And but since we were up here, I decided, hey, I could do a video on a walk around on the Jeep since I haven't done that lately, to show you what I've done, what I plan to do, and some expenses that I incurred just recently. But stay tuned. We're just going to go ahead and enjoy this trip. So it is a little windy. Hopefully there's not much wind interference. So what have I done to the Jeep? Well, since I've got it, it went from this, day one, from the used dealership lot, to getting my rock Brawlers, poison Spyder, and sway bar disconnect, and finally to this right here, which at this point I had 33 Nexen tires, the Synergy steering kit, the 2.5 AEV dual suspension kit, and that was pretty much it at that point. I did enjoy the looked very clean, and but I knew that I didn't want to just have it a show Jeep, or a mall crawler like some people call it. So I knew there was going to be some body damage at one point. Now here is one body damage here, which is the back bumper, and it was actually worse than this. I had a buddy of mine, Sal, help me out and try to pop it out, heat it up, and just kind of make it look better than what it actually was. The fender here, this was done at the Rubicon Trail, so I'm actually thinking getting some type of metal fenders, pop out the frame here, because it actually ended up getting bent. So hopefully I can make it look a little bit more decent, because it looks horrible right now. I'm very happy that I did upgrade to the Bombshell Poison Spyder diff covers. When I actually pulled the OEM diff cover, I was surprised how thin that metal was, and so I was very happy to upgrade the diff covers at that point. Yeah, I had another buddy of mine, thanks to my friend Jason, who told me, hey, I can help you out and paint this diff cover. It came all black, so he told me that he was going to help me. So we taped it up and we painted it red, and I think it looks pretty good. Poor tie rod, you can see all the dings that I've put on that thing. But holding up pretty well. I am very happy on the steering kit on this thing. Now, another thing that I'm very happy that I got was the Poison Spotter rock brawlers, because in the Rubicon Trail it definitely did um, sustain a lot of bumps and scrapes and all that, so it held up pretty well. And I'm just kind of wondering, if I didn't have the rock brawlers, what would the frame actually will look like, the doors or anything like that, because yeah, definitely a good must upgrade for any Jeeper to get if they are going to be planning to rock crawl. Now, high lift jack, we also ended up getting that. Basically, it's just two bolts that you put on your A pillar. There's actually the one that you could also put on your driver's side. Now, when I did upgrade my tires at first, I did have the 33 Nexen tires. I did upgrade it now to 35s. I haven't upgraded the back tire because I didn't want to put too much weight on the tailgate. So I'll probably upgrade to a bumper that has the tire carrier integrated with it. And here we have the infamous Jeep Badge of Honor badges. So these are some of the trails that I've been on. The last one I've done was John Bull, so hopefully I'll get that badge pretty soon. It shows that it's in transit, but we'll see when we get it. I do recommend that you get these Wild Boar handle grips. Makes it easier for you to get in and out of your Jeep. You could probably get the ones that goes on the roll bar, but those are very flimsy, not all that great.
I ended up pinching the tailpipe, so not round like it should, but gonna have to cut it or get a new one. The connections for the trailering, that got destroyed. The little box that was attached to it, so oh well. I ended up getting a CB radio as well to be able to communicate with my party.
Now, the most recent upgrade that I've done to the Jeep, 513 gears, front and back lockers. I went with the Yukon ring and pinions, front Yukon locker, back ARB locker, which I want to thank my buddy Dan for giving me a great deal on the ARB locker. Really much appreciated. And here I have my new upgrade, my new Jeep dog. Her name is Pebbles. She is 6 months now. So going into the additional expenses that I endured a few days ago, because of the Rubicon Trail, I ended up having front and back axle seals that needed to be replaced. The front drive shaft needed to be replaced, so I bought a used low mileage drive shaft, which I'm going to be wanting to upgrade the front and back pretty soon with some new ones. The oil cooler filter housing got pretty bad because I started having an oil leak, so I had to replace that. We also had to replace the spark plugs since they were replacing that. And I want to thank All J Products for taking care of my Jeep. They certainly did a lot to try to get this Jeep out as soon as they could, because this is my daily, so so they really work with me to try to get it done. But yep, loving my Jeep. Well, that's that, and I hope to meet you guys on the trail. See you soon.